Hi vlog, my name is Sarah and today we're going to spend a day together in Paris. I'm drinking a coffee, dark coffee as always. It's 8 a.m. in the morning right now. I found a new spot in Paris, which is a new coffee shop that I want to try. It's named Merlo Cafe, which I'm like so excited about because I don't know, like it's a hidden gem in the Marais. But before I go guys, I'm going to show you 3 new products that I'm going to try. They're from Kérastase. And I want to style my hair with them, so we're going to try it right now before we go. So we have 3 new products. I have these 2 which are for the night, so I'm going to try them tonight, not right now. But we have the anti-hair fall fortifying serum, which is kind of like something that I wanted to try because I've been having some hair fall here, maybe because of the slick back, so I need to stop doing slick backs so many often. But yeah, this serum, anti-hair fall serum. Then we have the 8-hour magic night serum, which is plant-based proteins, and there's niacinamide, which is really good. Oh, the bottle is nice. Look at the color, really nice. And yeah, I'm gonna try this one obviously tonight. And right now I want to try to style my hair with the Elixir oil, which I'm really excited to use. Yeah, this is this one. Really nice, and I feel like everyone's talking obviously about this one because, you know, it's kind of like one of the best-selling products. So really excited to try. I think I'm gonna put it on all of my hair and maybe style it after with my hair straightener, or maybe not, I don't know, but let's try it. So we're gonna do a few pumps on the hair. Not gonna do on here, I'm just gonna do like that. And I feel like, oh, it's really smooth, and I feel like it doesn't, you know, weigh down the hair, which is great because my hair are so dry right now. I come back from the Philippines and they are really dry, so it's gonna help. And I also love that, you know, this oil works for all hair types. Oh, it smells really good. Love it. I feel like it makes your hair, you know, healthier. Oh, look at this shine, you guys. It adds to my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna let them like this. I think we're gonna get ready for the day. So I'm wearing this pant, black pant today. I have a really basic outfit for today because I feel like I want to be comfortable. So I have this basic white tank top, basic black pant, really easy. I'm gonna add a bomber, which I love, a little bit brown, which is really great because right now in Paris it feels like spring, but it's, you know, a little bit chilly. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna add a really simple pair of shoes to be comfortable because we're gonna walk today. Really excited to go out because, you know, Paris is sunny, so it's very nice when, you know, you're walking around Paris when it's sunny. Okay, we're gonna add this pair of sunglasses and we're gonna add a black bag to go with it. So yeah, that's the outfit of the day. So let's enjoy Paris. Okay guys, I have an idea. I'm gonna bring you to the National Library here. It's beautiful and I feel like it's not that touristy and like that known here. And then we're gonna go to Merlo Cafe because I really need to try their cappuccino. So yeah, that's our first stop, the National Library. And I think I'm just gonna use a bit more of oil because I feel like this morning I was a bit shy on my hair. day. So yeah, we walked a lot. So I'm gonna take a shower, get ready for bed, and I'm gonna ask for an infusion because guys, I'm so tired. So I need to have chamomile. I just took my shower. I took an everything shower. It was really good. I'm gonna, you know, get ready for night. I did my tea. I asked for chamomile tea because I feel like, you know, it's really relaxing at night. And I'm gonna do my night routine right now with Kérastase. I'm gonna do the serum. I'm gonna add it right here, like on my scalp. And I think I wanna add a little bit on here because, you know, as I was telling you before, I have some, you know, hair fall on here because of slick button, so really need to stop that. But yeah, so I'm gonna apply this. I think you need to apply 4 of these. You have a mark on here and it tells you how much product you need to use, and I'm gonna use 4 pumps of these, and I'm just gonna add it on my scalp just to, ooh, it feels fresh. Really fresh, and it's not greasy at all, which I like because I was scared it was gonna be, you know, a bit greasy. And you just, like, you know, do a little massage on your scalp. Oh, the smell is really great. I don't know what it smells, but it smells good. There's caffeine. Oh, ginger. That's it. That's ginger. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply a bit on here. It really keeps my scalp, you know, like stimulated, healthy, which I love. You need to apply, I think, at least every single day for 6 weeks to, you know, see results. To finish, I'm gonna add the 8-Hour Magic Night Serum, which I feel like I don't even need to add because I feel like the serum, like the Elixir serum, kept my hair really, you know, healthy today. Okay, this one is like a night cream for your hair. So I'm gonna add a few pumps. Look at the texture. Feels like a night cream for your hair. It's like basically like that, not heavy at all. The smell is amazing as usual. I think it's gonna help, you know, to style my hair in the morning. So yeah, that's my night routine, you guys. So yeah, that's the routine. I loved everything I used today. I feel like my hair are really deeply hydrated, and that's like what I need because my hair type is so dry. So I really need to be really using the, you know, hydrated products. I am going to bed right now, you guys, because I have an early morning tomorrow. So